Hello, I am here for a job interview.
Hello, may I know your name?
My name is Hope Cacafranca.
Oh, I see. Let's proceed to the interview.
Nice to meet you, miss. I am Hope Cacafranca.
Nice to meet you too. So, Hope, tell me about yourself.
I am from Antipolo City with a deep passion for the culinary arts and a strong background in hospitality. I hold a degree in hospitality management from National University where I graduated in 2027. Currently, I work as a junior chef at To Go Travel, where I have gained hands-on experience in creating diverse dishes that cater to a wide range of tastes and dietary preferences. My culinary journey has given me opportunities to work in a fast-paced kitchens, develop my skills in food preparation and presentation, and learn the importance of teamwork and efficiency. I am always eager to experiment with new recipes, refine my techniques, and keep up with industry trends. In addition to my technical skills, I am committed providing exceptional service and maintaining a positive work environment. I believe that great food goes hand in hand with great customer experiences, and I am excited about continuing to grow within the hospitality industry.
So, why do you want to be part of our team?
I am eager to join the team because I am passionate about working in a fast-paced dynamic environment like a cruise line kitchen. I thrive in teamwork and I believe my skills in culinary preparation, time management, and attention to detail will contribute positively to the kitchen's efficiency and guest satisfaction. I also see this as an opportunity to learn and grow both professionally and personally in an exciting and unique setting. I also want to join an international cruise line kitchen because I believe that I can gain more experience and knowledge with your company. By this, it can help my career to become more successful.
So, how do you handle stress and pressure?
I handle stress by staying calm and focused. I make a list of what needs to be done and work through it step by step. I communicate clearly with my team to avoid mistakes and keep things running smoothly. I stay flexible and find solutions quickly when problems come up. I believe that if I let my pressure manage myself, it can cause a lot of problems, especially we are a team in here. Setting aside our pressure can help us do our job more effectively, and we can also provide a better experience for the guests.
Are you willing to fail?
Yes, of course, I am willing to fail because I believe failure is part of learning and growing. If something if something goes wrong, I take it as an opportunity to improve and do better next time. I'm not afraid to make mistakes as long as I can learn from them and keep moving forward. I also value progress over perfection. I also believe that I can use my failure as my stepping stone to achieve my success in life.
I really like how confident you are, Hope. So, lastly, what is your edge among the other applicants?
My edge is my strong work ethic and my ability to stay calm under pressure. I am always ready to learn and grow, and I bring a positive attitude to everything I do. I genuinely care about doing my best and working well with others. I believe my commitment to teamwork and my passion for the job set me apart from others.
Okay, Hope. Thank you.
Thank you, miss. I'm looking forward to be part of this company.